Hi guys, we are Dos Amigos team. And my name is Arif.
My name is Johan.
My name is Dan. Yo. And today we are going to be making chocolate truffle. Condensed milk chocolate truffle. Yeah, and we have another channel, a gaming channel by the name Shadow Spot. The link is in the description below.
Please subscribe and huge work coming on there.
Yeah, we are building city. We are building a city. Yeah. So let's start it. So here we have the ingredients. So first thing you'll need is condensed milk, chocolate, cocoa powder, and cocoa powder. And you need some sugar. Sugar as well. Yeah, and sugar as well. So now let's start with the cooking.
Now we are going to pour this in a bowl.
Condensed milk.
Condensed milk. I think it's enough.
You put some more.
Yep.
That will be enough. So now we are going to put 50 or 70 gram of cocoa powder.
50 grams cocoa powder in this condensed milk which we have poured earlier. Okay, I think that's enough.
Yeah, that will be enough. So now we are going to mix the condensed milk and cocoa powder. So now we are going to
grind some chocolate.
Yeah, now we are going to grind this chocolate in the mixer. So now let's put the chocolate in
the grinding bowl.
jar. Now we are going to grind it. Have grinded the chocolate. Now we'll put it into the mix. So now we are going to put the chocolate into the mixture. And now we are going to put this mixture on gas so the chocolate melts. Now we are cook. Now we are going to cook. We'll cook it on medium heat and stir it while we do so. Now the chocolate is starting to melt. So now we just let it cook for some more time.
We are going to put 2 or 3 spoons of sugar in this.
Yeah. And now we are going to turn off the gas. And now as you can see, the chocolate has melted. So we have put 3 spoons of sugar. And now the mixture is ready. Now we'll take it out in a plate.
You can see it looks good already.
Yes.
Move it, I'll do that. Gan garam hoga na, to छोड़ दो.
So here we have this container.
We are going to freeze it a little bit.
Put the mixture in it and freeze it. So we are first we are going to put
This in butter paper.
yeah. So first we are going to put butter paper, then the mixture. Going to put in butter paper.
Refrigerate that.
For 2 hours. So now let's take it to the freezer. And now we are going to let it stay there for 2 hours. अच्छी chocolate. So now we are going to hand wash. Yeah, so now we have taken the chocolate out after 1.5 hours. We couldn't wait for 2 hours, and Vihan has also went to his home right now. So now we are going to cut it, the chocolate. Yeah, so now we have cutted the chocolate. Now we are going to shake it.
I walk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way. Time that we get by with money we don't know. Pockets empty but hearts are full anyway. Hey. Playing like children and love like orange. You were too good for me, but I wanted you anyway. I always loved you over my head, even when you lived alone to make your parents mad. Say goodbye to your old life, turn the page, follow my bed. I don't care.
Yeah, so now we are going to do the plating in glasses with some mini Oreos. Glasses. There are 4 glasses. Now we'll start with the plating. First we'll put our chocolate truffles straight out of the fridge. And so now Devansh will put the Oreos. Like so. Two Oreos.
Yeah, playing like children and love like orange.
So now we are going to take the first tasting. First, I'll try the Oreo. Now I'll try our truffle chocolate. It's very yummy. It's very yummy and it melts in your mouth. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share and subscribe our video. Yeah, so hasta la vista. We'll meet in the next one. Take care.